Hello, friends. Myself, Pulkit Kumar Yadav from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I'm gonna talk about operating systems. So let's begin. So basically, what is an operating system? An operating system is a software that provides interface between user and the computer resources. In simpler words, it is the program that, after being initially loaded into the computer by a boot program, manages all of the other application programs in a computer. What is a mobile operating system? A mobile operating system allows application software to operate on mobile devices. It is similar to desktop operating system in certain ways, but it is simpler and lighter in comparison. Smartphone operating systems include Windows Mobile, Palm Web operating system, Symbian operating system, RIMs, BlackBerry, Android, iPhone operating system, and MIMO web operating system, Android, and MIMO. All are all variations on the Linux operating system. The iPhone operating system is based on BSD and Next Step, both of which are Unix related. Mobile operating systems combine computer and handheld device features. They frequently incorporate a cellular modem and SIM card tray for phone and internet services. When you acquire a mobile device, it comes pre-installed with a device-specific operating system. Here I have given an image which depicts about the operating systems which were used starting from 1973. From 1973 to 1993, there was mobile phones used embedded systems. Then followed by in 1996, first Windows operating system was introduced. Then came Nokia's S40 OS, which introduced with the Nokia 7110. Then on 2000, Symbian on a smartphone with Ericsson R380. Then in 2002, BlackBerry releases its first smartphone. Then followed by the years and later on, Google released its Androids info after the names of sweet dishes like Lollipop, Kit Kat, etc., which we still use. Some features of the mobile operating system. There are various features of a mobile operating system. Some features of the mobile operating system are as follows. It is very easy to understand and utilize. The graphics of the mobile operating system is very attractive and its features are very powerful and easy to use. An operating system gives focus on controlling the data and network usage. It also keeps the limit and requirements in focus. Then we have the popular platforms of mobile operating systems like Android operating system, Bada from Samsung Electronics, BlackBerry OS, iPhone OS, Symbian OS, Windows Mobile OS, Harmony OS, Palm OS, Web OS. Then coming on to the first operating system of mobile, which I have taken is Android. Android is a key player who is playing it till now. So why Android? So Android, it is open source, larger developer and community reach, increased marketing, inter-app integration, reduced cost of development, higher success ratio, rich rich development environment. The Android operating system was developed by Google for use in all of its touchscreen devices, tablets, and cell phones. This operating system was first developed by Android, a software company located in Silicon Valley before it was acquired by Google in 2005. While the Android source code is released in an open source format to help advance open standards across mobile devices, it is still packaged with proprietary software when sold on handset devices. Then I have taken an image which depicts the various Android versions. Android versions, as you notice, the all the Android versions are some form of a sweet dishes as the developers believe that the sweet dishes make our life easier so as the our Android versions used to. So we have this Android versions behind the sweet dishes names. Now moving on to the second mobile operating system, that is badass Samsung Electronics. Bada is a Samsung mobile operating system that was launched in 2010. The Samsung Wave was the first mobile to use the Bada operating system. The Bada operating system offers many mobile features such as 3D graphics, application installation, and multi-point touch. Now moving on to our BlackBerry operating system. You all remember the touchpad by BlackBerry. So the BlackBerry operating system is a mobile operating system developed by Research in Motion. This operating system was designed specifically for BlackBerry handheld devices. This operating system is beneficial for the corporate users because it provides synchronization with Microsoft Exchange, Novell Group, Wise Email, Lotus Domino, and other business software when used with the BlackBerry Enterprise Server. Now we have iPhone operating system. The iOS was developed by the Apple for the use on its device. The iOS operating system is the most popular operating system till date. It is a very secure operating system. The iOS operating system is not available for any other mobiles. And we have Symbian operating system. The Symbian operating system is a mobile operating system that provides a high level of integration with communication. The Symbian operating system is based on the Java language. It combines middleware of wireless communications and personal information management functionality. The Symbian operating system was developed by Symbian Limited in 1998 for the use of mobile phones. Nokia was the first company to release Symbian operating system on its mobile phone at that time. Then we have Windows Mobile Operating System. The Windows Mobile Operating System is a mobile operating system that was developed by Microsoft. It was designed for the pocket PCs and smart mobiles. Then we have Harmony operating system. The Harmony operating system is the latest mobile operating system that was developed by Huawei for the use of its devices. It is designed primarily for Internet of Things devices. Then we have Palm operating system. The Palm operating system is a mobile operating system that was developed by Palm Limited for use on personal digital assistants, pets. It was introduced in 1996. Palm operating system is also known as the Garnet operating system. And what is desktop operating system? The desktop operating system is the environment in which a user manages a personal computer. It helps in the management of system hardware and software resources. For example, Windows, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. It supports basic features including task scheduling, printing, input output, peripheral control, and memory allocation. On the desktop, the OS user needs an operating system. The OS acts as a bridge between programs and system hardware. Some operating systems require installation while others may come pre-installed with new computers. Graphical user interface is a feature of modern operating systems. We have Windows. Windows is Microsoft's flagship operating system, the de facto standard for home and business computers. Introduced in 1985, the GUI-based operating system has been released in many versions since then. The user-friendly Windows 95 was largely responsible for the rapid development of personal computing. And we have Mac OS. It is the operating system for Apple's Macintosh line of PCs and workstations. And we have our Unix, that is a multi-user operating system designed for flexibility and adaptability. Originally developed in the 1970s, Unix was one of the first operating systems to be written in the C language. Then we have Linux, which is a Unix-like operating system that was designed to provide PC users a free or low-cost alternative. Linux has a reputation as an efficient and fast performing system. Then coming on to the main topic, which is the key differences between our mobile operating system and the desktop operating system. Going on with the definitions, mobile operating system is a type of operating system that allows application software to operate on mobile devices, while in desktop operating system it is the environment in which a user handles a personal computer. Now coming on to the memory requirement, the mobile operating system needs minimum RAM to optimize, while the desktop operating system needs a huge memory to operate. Now coming on to the point, the mobile operating system uses a flash drive to store the data, while the desktop operating system uses hard drives, and flash drives, both to store data. Coming on to boot time, the mobile operating system takes less time to boot, while the desktop operating system takes much time to boot. The purpose of mobile operating system is that it handles cellular and wireless connectivity and device access, while the desktop operating system handles the software and hardware resources of the system. Coming on to the power usage, the power usage of the mobile operating system, it is optimized to work under minimal power needs and has a feature to prevent energy loss. While in desktop operating system, it is not readily optimized for energy loss. Now coming on to the interface, the mobile operating system runs on touchscreen or touchpad devices, while the desktop operating system runs through many input devices, including a mouse, keyboard, etc. Some examples of mobile operating systems are the Apple iOS, Google Android, Bada, Palm operating system, Symbian operating system, Windows mobile operating system, etc. While the desktop operating system examples are as the Windows 10, Mac OS, etc. Thank you guys for being with me till the end.